Hey guys, it's my here and today we're gonna be playing with slime. So this is a little interview, right? And this is a no glue slime. It's super stretchy. So how you make this? How you make this? Wait. How you make this whole thing is you need a few glue tack pieces and you have as much as you want. So then play with it for like 5 minutes and then you can add your color. I used a red Sharpie for this one, and we did with my friend. Hers was not very colored. She wanted light pink. So we mixed it together and we halved and halved. So she got one, so our both are the same color because we split it in pieces and we mixed it up. And my thing was that red, that the whole thing got red. I'm sorry guys, I can really set it up. Yes, I'm using a toy to set this up. Hey guys, I'll be right back. So, after you color it in, and all glue tack slimes are butter slime unless if you want to put kinetic sand in it, it'll become cloud slime. And so then when you get home, or you can do it now, you can add some shaving cream, but soap is the activator, so it won't be hard anymore. And then you can add weird stuff like Ehrlich toothpaste. I did it at my friend's house before. We had toothpaste and it worked super well. And if you're super lucky, it won't get sticky, because usually glue tack slimes don't really work. So I had to throw it in the bin. So then, after you're happy with it, you can add glitter or anything. If in the camera you can like say it's a little orange, but it's actually red. So then here when you're playing with it, you can add those stuff if it's getting hard and all. And you can get a little container, for example, like a LOL surprise balls, like little sisters. But no, I have loads of clay containers. Sometimes I add the clay if they're not hard, because one time I did that, but it doesn't really get stretchy for my clay. So guys, make sure you follow these instructions. Soon I'll be making proper slime after I go on holiday, guys, and I'm going on holiday in 7 days, and I'll make sure you'll come with you. No, you'll come with me. I might record in the airplane, or I might record straight when you go to Poland. I'm going to pull and see my grunts. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye!